Hello, hi. Here I am here in Mahathat. I'm not sure I will write it in the title. Train station in Bangkok, Thailand. I will show you how to take a ticket. There is a ticket counter just in the background, and there is a ticket machine as well. I will show you how to take. So this is the ticket machine. There are two different types. This one doesn't accept Visa or MasterCard or even cash, only Alipay and all. But this one accept banknotes, coin, and like cash. I don't think it accept card. No Visa or MasterCard, just cash only. So here first you choose the language, here English. So then I'm taking this green line, and it has a one-day pass, unlimited ride for 150 baht, but it's not available in the machine. You have to go and take it to the counter. Then choose the sorry, this is English, yeah. Then choose the station. I am going to Siam. Siam is, I think, somewhere here. Yeah, that's the city center. I am taking the hop of city tour bus. So, oh sorry, no, not that, Siam. Yeah, I choose Siam, so it comes here. Siam, 65 baht, one person. Then we can insert the yeah, we can directly insert the cash. So here I am inserting 100 baht. Yeah. And put it again. Yeah, it accepted. And the change of the ticket will come. Yeah. So all the coins and the ticket here, then here the gate, just scan it and go. Scan here, gate will open and go inside. Thank you. And there is an elevator here.